Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove or replace front control arm on Ford Fiesta ST or Mk7 generation 2008 to 2017. So stay with us to see how to remove or replace control arm. We'll be having probably more than 200 videos on this car, taking everything apart. Please subscribe guys, it takes quite a bit of time to make those videos. Thank you for the support and let's start on it now. So we'll be working on the front left side. And what we'll do, we'll actually install the tire chokes on the rear right. I usually do diagonal. Okay, and we'll jack the car up. You need to make sure that you get the lug bolts loose before you jack it up, but don't get them off, just break them loose. Always use a jack stand. Because if the jack fails, what happens? Just one little seal fails and everything will fall on you, so you definitely have to use a jack stand. Next we're going to remove the lug nuts, 19mm socket there, and when we remove them we're going to actually put the tire under the vehicle facing up so we can scratch the wheel. So in case something happens, the jack fails, the jack stand fails as well, we're going to have an alternative to catch the car so it doesn't drop all the way down on us. Okay, next what we need to do, right here you can see that bolt, it's with 13mm on one side. Okay, on this side is 13mm and 15mm on the other side. Okay, so you need to hold the nut on one side and get the bolt loose as well. Okay, so I'm going to hold it on this side, and the other person, you can just do it by yourself with the other hand. Take, okay, the nut loose. It's very important to put it together the correct way, otherwise the whole wheel can come off, so you have to be careful what you do there. If things don't work, if you cannot take the nut loose, it has a lot of rust, I'll recommend using penetrating oil, WD-40. Okay, and we're going to spray, okay, the bolt, okay, right there, for the control arm. I'm going to show you in a second, okay, where exactly this one is, yep, right there. So now, we'll remove the nut. But before you take it out all the way, okay, you gotta make sure the bolt is not sticking out. You need to hammer a little bit on it to get the bolt out. Okay, it's almost there. Just be careful not to damage the nut or the bolt itself. It's recommended to install a new bolt every time you do that. Okay, we are taking the nut off now all the way. We still have the bolt here on this side. Okay, it's coming out. So if it's stuck, what you can get is a small screwdriver, usually like a Phillips screwdriver, and just tap it barely through the hole there, okay, until the whole bolt comes out. And check out all the rest that's built here. So once you take the nut loose, you can actually spray some penetrating oil there as well. We'll spray some penetrating oil there for the ball joint to come out. Okay, like that. You can get a thick screwdriver and actually, okay, hammer it in there a little bit to spread it. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, you can see the screwdriver like that. That way you can see those two pieces. When you spread them a little bit, the ball joint will come out easier that way. Okay, we're going to get a pry bar, okay, and just pull it out. Okay, you can see it's coming out. That's good. It's loose. So once we remove it, okay, and we pull it all the way out. Okay, just like that, you can see. we can get the screwdriver out of the way now. And we have 2 more bolts that we need to remove. The next bolt that we will remove, okay, it's right there with 18mm socket. And this one usually is pretty tight. Okay, let me just get the camera out so we don't break it. Otherwise we won't be able to make videos for a while. Okay, and what do we need to do? Just we need to go ahead and remove the whole bolt like that. You get loose in a little bit. Okay, this bolt is loose now. Okay, this is the bolt. That's what it looks like. Pretty solid big bolt. After that, we just have one more bolt with 15mm that we need to remove. Okay, yep, you can see the one kind of almost there. You cannot get it. Okay. Somewhere there it doesn't go. Okay. Okay, this is the bolt. Okay. And those are different bolts, so don't confuse them when you put them together. And you can see this one, I think even had thread locker on it. Next you need to grab it, pull it on one side. Okay, and you need to start pulling it out. It will be stuck over there a little bit. But when you wiggle it, it's going to come out. Okay, it's almost out, but not yet. Okay. And this is, guys, the control arm. You can see out of here. So if you need to replace your bushings or anything like that, you can see you have a ball joint here. You have 2 bushings as well. Those will go bad sometimes. So hopefully the video was helpful, guys. That's how you remove it. All you have to do, put everything together, the new control arm, preferably with new bolts. Get everything tight, things that we took apart. Make sure that the ball joint bolt goes all the way in. You can see it has a canal. Okay, right here for the bolt that goes through. Again, make sure everything's tight before we drive the car. And this will be the whole video how you remove it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos to come.